Often I need a function in Excel that always shows today's date, which is a moving target. I don't want to type today's date because it'll never change, so I use a function. In C4, type equals T-O and double click today and press enter. That is always today's date. Today it's actually the 13th of June, but tomorrow this spreadsheet will say the 14th of June, and then the next day it'll say the 15th of June. If I always want tomorrow's date, I'll go equals TO, double click today, close bracket, plus 1. This will always give me today's date plus 1. So today it says the 14th and tomorrow it'll say the 15th. But if I always expect to ship out 7 days from today, I would put equals today, open bracket, close bracket, plus 7. In the cell C8, not only do I want to see the date, but I want to see the time as well. So I'll use a function called now. In the cell C8, type equals now, open bracket, close bracket, and that will always give you the current date and time. When you close and open the file, that will update. In the cell E4, I want to extract the day only from a particular date, perhaps the one in C4. I would use the day function, equals day, open bracket, and then click on C4. When I press enter, it'll tell me the day for that date is 13. But if I want to pull out just the month from that date, I'll go equals month, open bracket, and I'll click on C4, and that'll give me the answer 6. And finally, in G4, working with dates, I'll type equals year, open bracket, and when I click on C4, that will extract just the year from that date, giving me 2013. Besides date and time functions, there is one other function I want to show you called cell. Sometimes I get asked, how can I show the name of the file actually in the file, not in the header and footer, but actually in the file. In the cell F2, I'm going to ask you to type equals cell, open bracket, and then you have all these options. And the one I'm particularly after is the one called file name. So I'm going to double click file name, and when I press enter, this will tell me the name of the file and where it's stored. If I save this file with a different name and in a different location, that will update.